Hey traders, welcome to the demonstration of the StopHunt indicator. In this video I do a little back test of how the indicator works and how it looks like and how you should trade it. So here we have a long signal, but let's skip that for now and jump to the next one. Now we got a short signal, and as you can see the indicator fires on a still open candle, so not on a candle close, on an open candle. Let's zoom out a little bit, and regarding the method that you can read on the website, the method of fair value in excess areas, we mark this fair value line where price comes from both sides, drag the trend line downwards, so as little as possible of price is outside these zones. And as you can see, the signal is outside in an excess area, and the price is moving on both sides of the channel, so it's a valid signal, and our target would be the next area of accumulation. So let's mark this area, our target area, with a green line, and let's see where price goes. Oh, now the trend line jumped. And the target is hit. So as you can see, you go for small price movements. You don't want to take the entire move. Let's fast forward to the next signal. Here we have another short signal, and when a new signal appears, we have to adjust our actual fair value line, because that's not always going to stay the same. Then we wouldn't trade like a market if that we need to adjust this line constantly when a signal appears. So gonna do the same again, as little as price as possible outside in the excess areas. And here you can see I wouldn't take that signal because it's like a B quality setup. It's close to the excess area, but not close enough for me. So I would skip that signal definitely. But as you can see, price still went back to the fair value line. Let's fast forward again. Now we have another short signal, and same as before, we're gonna adjust our fair value line to the current price movement. Yeah, you can immediately see that the signal is not valid because it's so close to the fair value line. Let's drag it in anyway. Yeah, that's way too close to the fair value line. If you have more experience, you can sculpt these trades for small pips, but I would definitely skip them. Only go for the high probability setups. Now we have a second signal that's more like a B quality setup, but I also would skip this. Let's see where price goes. And it goes back to the fair value line as well. Let's fast forward again a little bit to the next signal. That looks much better to me. The second one of the rectangles is most likely, let's adjust the channel a little bit, but the second signal, the second rectangle from the stop hunt indicator is outside of the access area, so I would definitely take this trade, and target would be this point of resistance. That's less like a small trade, like 23 pips, but that's fine, even if like more pendings get triggered. Let's see where price goes. Almost, and the target is hit. Let's fast forward again. Here we have another one. Let's adjust our fair value line. You can see that this uptrend goes way more into this horizontal kind of movement. Like the angle of the fair value line gets less steep and steep. That's normal price behavior. Yeah, that's just a B quality setup. As I said before, you can take trades like that, but in the beginning really stick to the high probability setups, because that is what you trade for. You want to make some money, you don't want to gamble. The probability that it took so many stops out at that point could make it like a better quality setup and take this true support and resistance level just for 8 pips. That's not that much. I definitely would skip that trade, but the target got already hit. Yeah, that's basically it. I hope you got an understanding of what signals are valid, what signals are not valid. In a second video, I will try to demonstrate how you use the indicator in addition with the excess EA that is especially designed for trading the method of fair value, and how you enter that trade like semi-automatically with the EA. Until then, happy trading.